Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's Carlito again. So, ayan, samahan nyo ko panoorin at mag-react tayo dito sa guesting ng Bini sa Monster RX 93.1. So, ayan, kalalabas lang and I'm so excited kasi last time na nasa RX sila, sobrang aliw, sobrang chaos nung interview nila. So, for today, so let's see kung ano yung mga itatanong sa kanila and ano yun na naman yung mga bardagulan na makikita natin. So, samahan niyo ako guys. Without further ado, let's check this Bini All Out sa Monster RX 93.1. So, let's go. So, nag-loading pa siya or ano pa. So, okay, yan na.
Rico Robles is about to go live online. Catch All Out Monster hit music. All Out celebrity.
So, si Rico Robles yung mag-interview sa kanila.
And sports news. All Out fun. An exclusive on the Monster. Catch the stream on the Monster Facebook page at RX931. The Monster YouTube channel at RX931 and Twitch.tv.
Nakita ko sa thumbnail parang hindi sila kompleto kasi si Mika yata kanina sa Showtime masama yung pakaramdam. Baka hindi siya kasama.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, they are back. They got a couple of singles.
So tama nga, wala si Mika ngayon.
Coachella coming up. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Bini.
Bini! Oh, si Aya. May ano talaga, no? May blank talaga. Eh, ba't hindi marinig? Ayun. May space talaga para din sa isang member na wala. Stream nyo na yan guys, sobrang ganda. Grabe naman ang boses ni Aya Ronaro. Ang piling ko pag-ibig. Gusto mo na. Live na live. Oo. Wow. First verse lang, tsaka yung chorus.
Wow, that was...
Yeah, that was exciting. Great song. Congratulations. Bini's here in the house, ladies and gentlemen. Live with us here and All Out. Thank you, girls, for... I know you guys do some sort of an intro. How did...
Parang naka-extension ba si Maloy? Parang sobrang haba ng buhok niya today.
You guys want to introduce yourselves? Go ahead.
Toothy? Mabuhay! We are Bini!
Oh, I thought they were going to say their name one by one. So, you know, it's... Okay, you want to do it again? Here we go.
Okay. Toothy? Mabuhay! Hi, I'm Joanna. Hi, I'm Sheena. I'm Stacy. I'm Colette. Hi, I'm Maloy. I'm Gwen. Hi, I'm Aya. And we are Bini!
Hey, get well to Mika, right?
Yes,
get well,
get well,
a little
Mika.
under the weather.
Hi,
These girls have been working very, very hard. It's been the past 6 years.
Get
for you
well,
guys.
Mika.
With everything, you guys got a new song, so congratulations. So,
Thank you.
what's been keeping you guys busy so far?
Right now we are very focused
Binichella.
po.
I'm gonna make a lot of money today.
We are very focused sa Coachella rehearsals. Actually, yun yung focus talaga namin aside from promoting our recent songs. Yes.
So, pag ganun, I mean, manifesting it, how much has life changed now when you guys manifested? I want to do Coachella, then it happens. Are you more careful now of what you guys are manifesting? Like, uy, nagkatotoo. I mean, when you got the news first that you're gonna do Coachella, how did you guys take it?
Go stop. Whoa.
Well, of course po, nagulat kaming lahat at first. Hindi kami naniwala.
Si Stako kasi talaga yung,
na edit lang siya ng Blooms. Pero it ended up na totoo pala siya. So, thank you so much. Pero ngayon, since nagkakatotoo yung mga minamanifest namin as a group, so, mas big yung mga minamanifest pa namin. Sana magkaroon kami ng 5 bahay, ng mga ganun.
And you know, a Grammy could be around the
Yeah, Grammy, Lollapalooza, ano pa, di ba? Sana marami pang silang stages na makapag-perform sila. Southeast Asia Tour.
corner, right? So if you okay, so we're gonna give it to you, Stacy. What you want to manifest now for the group? You seem to have the dila ng anghel, right?
Lollapalooza, Tokyo Dome, travel around the world, and Grammys, and many more.
Hey, that's what it's about. Now, the new song, Unang Kilig, when you first heard it, I mean, who wrote the song?
Jeremy.
Kuya Jeremy Glino.
How was it working on that track?
Actually, comfortable na kami with him because
Dami ng
he wrote
tracks.
songs na rin for Beanie before. So, alam niya na yung sound ng Beanie. So, nung mabilis na yung naging process namin sa Unang Kilig kasi nga, yung comfortable plus with the
Ang galing din ni Jeremy, no? Dati sa The Voice siya. And grabe yung level up ng skills niya, ng talent niya when it comes to songwriting. 'Di ba? Hindi lang kanta niya yung sinusulat niya, kumbaga nakakapagsulat na rin siya ng kanta para sa ibang artist, which is unbelievable and very talented talaga.
help of Coach Ana, our voice coach. Siya po yung nag-arrange lahat ng harmonies po, gano'n.
But it's flipping back to like all English tracks you guys were releasing back and forth, and all of a sudden back to Tagalog track, right? This was after Cherry on Top, after Sweet Tooth, after all that. What was the challenging part when you were shifting back to Tagalog? I mean, was it more of like, what kind of sound should we do? You know?
In fairness dun sa host, I mean, nag-research siya, and yung mga tanong niya, hindi siya yung narinig ko na before na pag meron silang, though natural lang, pero parang relevant naman yung mga tanong niya.
I wouldn't
Wow,
say
Aya.
it was super challenging for us kasi the reception of the song was great. A lot of people liked it based from the feedback that we've been getting, and it gave them a throwback.
Si Rico
to our
Robles,
song life.
nakangiti lang siya
So,
habang
transitioning from
nagsasalita si Aya.
producing mga English songs to Tagalog, it wasn't like a big make it or break it thing.
Yeah.
So it was a
So
good
will there be
step.
more Tagalog songs on the upcoming? Because it's not part of Flames, right? This is a different.
Yes.
This is singles being dropped.
In fairness,
So,
alam niya yung Flames na album.
Mag-spill.
Meron. Maraming dapat abangan. Maraming English songs, maraming Tagalog songs that they should look out for.
Collaborations. Any?
For the next EP or album,
Yeah.
I think we're focused more sa group songs. But I hope soon we're open for
Open to-
collaborations.
Who would it be? I guess each and every one. of
Sarah
you-
Geronimo.
If you were to collaborate with somebody on a song, on a-
Number one.
I'll go first.
Miss Sarah Geronimo.
Hey,
Sabi
what would be the
naman.
song? If you're gonna write it.
Oh, shoot. What would be the song?
Heavy dance yan.
Pwedeng to follow. Can't think of anything.
Okay.
To follow. Basta Miss Sarah po.
Sarah G.
hello po.
Stacy.
Ako ngayon, feel ko makaka-vibe na Zara Larson. Good song talaga.
Sheena, how about Sheena?
Me, besides Miss Sarah G, Sabrina. Ate Sab. Yes, she's my ate.
Ate,
Kasama ko siya kagabi.
grabe naman makatanong.
Ano po, go Ate Aya, go muna. Ayan, sige po, Taylor Swift. Let's see kung paano ba tayo magkakulabin. Yes.
Kay Aya sagot yun eh.
Yeah, who knows?
Yeah.
Me, I would say Dua Lipa. Yeah.
Wow!
Should be your backup dancer.
Backup dancer. Naging backup dancer pa si Dua Lipa.
How about Gwen?
Siguro si Miss Casey Tandingan.
Yes.
Will it be a rap track or will it be?
Pwede,
Yeah.
di ba? Rap track.
Rap.
Tas, fear song, gano'n.
Maloy.
Pink Panthers, para ano. Para producer, woman.
That's right. Women's Month. Happy
It's
Women's
Women's Month.
Happy Women's
Women's Month.
You know, for those who are tuning in, we got Beanie, we got them live. They're hanging out with us. You know, just some of the things that they are currently manifesting and all that. Now, March 21st, you do have a big event. I mean, you know, this is to gather all the blooms. Where's it?
Bloomsday.
Market.
You know you made it
Oh.
when you go to market, right?
I need to be there.
They said that it's international. Like, once you have a show in market, you're bound to go global. So everybody that did shows there, global. They do say. So you guys bring
Busking
it
let's
backwards.
manifest it.
Sana po, sana.
So what's the set that you guys?
Di, nakapag-market na sila, di ba?
Show before the send off. Can you discuss it?
Are we allowed to say it? Well, for
Five
sure.
people saying no.
Well, for sure, pe-perform namin yung unang kilig, full song. Plus, surprise na yung iba. So, kailangan nyo talagang pumunta at manood sa amin.
Baka may ilabas pa silang, ano.
Coachella set there.
No! No! No, wag. No. Walang spoil. Hayaan natin silang i-surprise tayo.
No, just throwing it out. For you guys, I mean, 6 years, this is what you guys are doing is talagang monumental. You're jumping from one country to another doing these things. And was this something that you guys have ever dreamed of? Was this something that you guys ever expected, the 6 years of being part of the group?
This was definitely one of the things that we have dreamed. Kasi,
Oh. Yeah.
Before, I remember nga there was a time na we were training and we would have a bond paper written. Imagine there's like 80K or something. Yeah, people watching, and now it's happening. It's been part of it since then po.
I mean, because you guys are in the forefront of Filipino music now. You're like, in tennis, there's Alex Ayala.
Yeah.
You know, OPM in Filipino music worldwide is Beanie representing us. You're going to Coachella for crying out loud.
One of many.
You know, and more. You know, so
Ang
there's
humble.
that.
Ang humble talaga ng mga girls. Ang humble talaga.
What's your advice that you could give to every single Filipina or Filipino that's idolizing you guys?
Keep on reinventing yourself. Like, wag kang matakot to explore. And mag-try. Kasi kami bago kami mahantong, hantong talaga eh. Bago namin mahanap yung sound namin, we tried a lot of different genres. Bago namin
Tama.
mahanap, okay, this is the Beanie sound. Yun, talagang, you have to be explorative.
Yeah, plus consistency. Really important talaga. Kasi yung momentum exciting siya, pero yung longevity, yung pinaka-importante, how will you sustain it? So
Tama.
yun lang, just keep creating songs. May
Totoo.
makikinig man o wala, diba? Yun yung importante. Basta mag-release ka.
Kahit 65 lang yung blooms.
Magbo-boom. Or, halimbawa, nakapag-release ka na 2 years ago ng song, tapos biglang mag-boom this year. Hindi po talaga natin masasabi.
Yes, true.
I mean, there's 8 of you guys, 7 today. So 8. Who keeps each other on check? You send me your age and you say, wait, tara, let's work together. Is that kind of thing?
Everyone naman po.
Parang may
Everyone.
kanya-kanyang energy na pwedeng
Oo,
i-contribute sa group
yes.
pag may na-down or eto, mga high energy talaga to.
She shared her part. So yeah, when the other one's too high energy, how does one? Kasi kayo, you're
Ang attentive ni Colette sa part na yun.
pretty much even keel when it comes to performing.
Actually, gets na po namin yun eh.
Yeah.
Parang, before kasi po, parang dapat pag ganito energy na isa, dapat ganun lahat tayo. But now, nag-gets na namin yung ugali talaga na isa't isa. Na yung, si Gwen, mabilis malobat yan. Pag 7 p.m., pack up namin. 1
7
p.m.
na ngayon.
7 na ngayon. Sabi niya nga,
1 p.m. pack up.
Sorry po, need na po niya umuwi.
sabi niya nga po kanina eh. Sabi niya po kanina, Jo, ano natin? Hanggang ano oras tayo today? Sabi ko 7. Parang hanggang 1 lang ako.
Aga? After showtime.
Hanggang showtime.
Yes. Nag-birthday yung mom ko. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita!
Yes.
Tita Malu.
And so Beanie's here, and you know, just some fun questions here on the show. What are the things that people don't know about each other, about you guys? Feel
they
free
know everything.
to say it.
About
Renata.
each other?
Yeah.
Walang hirap naman.
Naisip ko na to last time pero fun fact eh, pag may nag-interview.
Ano ba?
Parang hindi pwede sabihin.
Para kasing alam na nila lahat.
Meron pa yan. Bago lang.
Any secret talents? Hidden talents?
Hidden.
I think there's so
Pag
many
ganito, ang
things
hirap
that's
talaga
not so hidden anymore
Yeah,
because
yeah.
we get asked that then. So
I know you guys go on your
yeah.
lives, right? I mean, if you guys are not with Beanie, you're not doing Beanie at the moment, you have a day off, what is the day like to do?
Alam nyo, in fairness dun sa host, hindi niya pinilit yung tanong niya. And nakaisip agad siya ng other question para hindi magkaroon ng idle moment.
Usually lately I've been working out a lot, so gym is my number one goal
Wow.
lately. If not that, just my place. Yeah, it's either my
What's
place.
the workout?
It's always different because yeah, it depends on my trainer.
How about the others?
Sorry.
Usually, nasa
Masakit talaga yung lalamunan ko.
tapos, ano ba ginagawa?
Full body lang talaga si Gwen.
May ano, hindi lately, parang na-enjoy ko yung resin, ano yun, yung epoxy resin.
Are you gonna make
Ayun.
tables and
Oo,
painting in there?
parang-
Wow!
Alam niyo, ito nagre-react din mo ata.
It's a hard hobby.
Okay.
How about you?
Ako, I go to people's favorite third spaces.
So, meaning, yung last time na interview nila na sinabi ni Joanna na merong mga nag-gym at merong talagang kumuha pa ng trainer, ibig sabihin si Aya pala yung sinasabi niya.
Cubao Expo, ano, UP Diliman. Kasi ano doon very, nakakahinga ako doon. Kasi
Yeah.
open space, tsaka pwede ka doon mag-bike, pwede ka mag-takbo, tsaka ang sarap ng mga street food sa UP.
What's your favorite?
Kwek-kwek.
Hey!
At mango shake.
Mango shake. Great combo. How about the others in front? People in the front row.
Ako na. Ako po, pag feel ko, nagja-jog po ako.
Wow.
Pero once pa lang naman nangyari, so. Pag feel na feel ko lang. And, pero mostly po kasi nasa bahay lang din talaga.
Yeah.
Mag-watch lang ng movies. Ganun.
Chillin'.
Yes, chill lang.
Okay, Stacy. What's it
Chill on
called?
Netflix.
That's my nickname po.
Nickname.
By my lola, by my
Akala ko sa rap,
mama.
alter
Oh,
ego.
that's my alter ego,
Yeah,
Sucha.
yeah.
Ako, ano ba ginagawa? Rhythmica Apulian siguro. Ano ba ginagawa? Ako recently, I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone. I try to go out sometimes kapag rest day yung kinabukasan kasi my friends are here na. So, ba't ba ako nag-English? So, ayun. I go out every night to have fun.
Every night.
Me, I just rest. And sometimes, pag ginaganahan ako, nagsha-shopping ako buong araw.
Wow.
Pag ginaganahan.
Guys, buong
Pag
araw siya.
ginaganahan. Siyempre, travel.
Whole day,
What do you
bro.
enjoy buying? I mean, buong araw yun. That's a long day.
Yeah, I usually go to all the shops.
Joke lang! Hindi!
Na-aspire to be like you.
Hindi.
Errands. Over sa Pero yeah, errands din. Basta like once in a blue moon din po. Yeah, but I usually just rest with my cats.
Sheena is a wolf.
Ang random.
Did she get to answer?
Joanna.
Yeah.
Ako naman, siguro before, hindi ko kaya na may vacant na time sa isang araw. So, pinupuno ko talaga. But now, starting this year, parang medyo nag-ano ko,
Laila.
parang gusto ko munang
Pahinga.
listen to my body po. Para kasi...
Nag-gym ka?
Oo! Isang beses lang.
Sumahay rocks.
Kasi syempre, kaka-move in ko lang. So, parang na-excite ako sa amenities, gano'n. So,
Yeah.
Okay. Bagong tirahan.
Beautiful, the big-
Condo.
Yeah, but for you guys, I mean, you guys are living the dream. After Coachella,
Yes.
will get more massive.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
And everything. I mean,
Manifesting.
6 years ago, you were just dreaming of this. You were training for this. Now that it's all so real for you guys, how do you guys handle it?
Manifesting na
Ano
magtuloy-tuloy.
yung na-miss nyo?
That's a fact po.
Na-miss po namin. Syempre, na-miss namin yung talagang before anytime kaya namin makalabas with family, with friends. Pero ngayon, parang mas pinipili na lang po namin when to go out. Kasi syempre, pag may rest day kami, parang gusto namin ipahinga na lang kasi talagang hectic yung schedule po. So,
Yeah.
sana after Coachella, balance pa rin. Madami pa rin projects but at the same time, may time din talaga to rest. Pero ngayon kasi talagang yung fire sa heart namin. Yes, it's
There.
burning.
There's the wall, on the wall, there's a sign.
Yes.
Coachella. There's a date.
Opo.
When's the date for Coachella for you guys?
April 10 and 17.
So it's two weeks for you guys. You're doing
Yeah.
2 weekends.
Yes. Thank you, Coachella.
Nakita niyo na was it an animated video trailer for Coachella?
Yes,
It was
I
you
saw that.
guys?
Opo.
Yeah.
Yes. Pinanood sa akin ng visual director po namin.
Yeah, so congratulations on that, on the future endeavors. Now here on The Monster, I know last year you guys received an award, so which is really big, and of course for all the monsters that are tuned in, we're here to award you guys. For the
Wow!
Monster Awards, we do got Monster Music Awards, Beanie. For Filipino Artist of the Year, it's Pipa Artist of the Year. On behalf of all the Monster DJs and all the listeners of The Monster.
Bigay talaga nila kay leader.
This is 2 years in a row for you guys.
Wow, thank you so much. Monster.
Favorite sila ng
So
Monster.
you know that when you win an award, then you have to give a speech. So go ahead, this is your moment.
Yes. Well, first things first, thank you, Monster. RX 93.1 kasi very supportive talaga sila sa amin. Parang ever since, yes, thank you so much po. And kaya naman kahit super busy po namin, talagang
Ba't parang tumataba si Sheena? Or, ewan ko lang, siguro lang, parang napansin ko, parang nagkakaroon siya ng laman.
timeline po na kung pwede nga, di ba, every release ng song namin, maka-visit po kami dito. And ayun lang, thank you. Thank you po sa pag-recognize sa talent namin. And yung mga ganitong awards, parang, alam mo, parang na-validate kahit papano. Kumbaga bonus siya, pero parang it's a validation ng hard work. So, thank you po. Salamat. And
Tama naman.
Tomorrow awards. Next year ulit po.
Thank you po.
Wow.
Thank you po.
So do all 8 of them get one, or is this one for the who gets to keep it, right?
Her.
She keeps
Now, we have we have space po sa office po sa ABS.
Wow.
Sa stable po namin.
Nice. Okay, so congratulations, you're award winners. And a message to all the monsters tuned in. Go ahead before I let y'all sing your hot song.
What's up, monsters? Thank you so much, for the love. Thank you sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa Beanie and sa Monster. Sana po makabisita po ulit kami dito para makapag-hi hello sa inyong lahat. So, abangan nyo po yan. Maraming salamat po. See you all soon and bye-bye!
Extra na.
Di pa tapos yung interview. Nag-extra. Okay, so, of course, March 21st, invite everybody to go to that big event. And then, of course, Coachella. Go ahead, where can they watch it live?
Yeah, so on March 21, we hope all of you guys will come po sa Market. That will be our get
Dapat
together
nandun
for
tayo.
Coachella. And for Coachella,
Saturday
sa mga
yun,
Team
guys.
Bahay, there will be a live stream on April 10 and 17. So we hope you can still support us there po. So thank you so much, Bloom.
Support
Thank
tayo
you
sa
to everyone who's
Bini.
been supporting and loving us. Thank you.
Thank you, ladies. What's the title of this last song you're gonna perform?
Honey.
What's the story behind this one?
Oh, Honey, same with Unang Kilig, it talks about love. But I feel like with Honey, mas softer na siya, mas lighter love. Meron ng stability, meron ng assurance na itong love mo na to, this is the one. Kasi sa Unang Kilig, andun pa yung excitement parang, ay,
Ginagawa ni
first crush.
Stapo.
Pero with Honey, ayun na, parang sure ka na, sure ball. This is it. Yes.
I'm sure you guys get this question a lot. Any of you guys open to joining a beauty pageant? Like,
We have!
As of now, I will be my only Pinipili is B.
yeah.
Joanna. Ate Aya, sample. Ate Aya, sample.
What is the essence of?
What's the essence of being a woman?
Na siya, yung bini niya for, ay, yung bini niya for now, bini daw.
So right now,
Si Colette talaga, napaka-attentive nito eh. To the rescue lagi kay Aya.
the focus is Beanie.
Yes,
You're not
definitely.
closing your doors.
We'll see, cause I'll be 30 or something.
How about acting? Any of you guys gonna get into acting? Yeah.
Yes, we're
What kind of
open
role would you
ako.
want to do?
Kadenang ginto.
Anything.
Gusto talaga nila maging
We want
artista.
to have our actress role sa sa music video, so we
you
got
get
to
see
try that.
And your
Yeah.
music video, I heard your music video is star-studded. So, which music video is this?
Unang kilig.
Okay, who was in the music video?
Gerald Anderson, Richard Gutierrez, Bong Navarro, si Inang, Olivia Lamasan,
Yes,
Kathy Charo Santos, and
Miss Kathy Garcia Molina,
Who directed the
Sir
video?
Oji Diaz. Yumi Us, yun po yung prod house
Direct
namin
Kirby.
ever since.
Yes.
Direct Kirby pala.
Ang galing, star-studded. Congratulations.
And Rico po, Sir Rico nandun din sa MV, so
Rico
star-studded.
Blanco.
You.
Talaga ba?
I'm gonna pass by. But
Nagulat
congratulations,
ako, ah.
ladies. Wish you guys all the luck and thank you for dropping by the Monster. We'll leave you with one more song. This one's Honey, Honey. We got him live, ladies and gentlemen. We got Beanie here on the Monster. Make some noise!
Sino kaya sasalo sa part ni Mika? So, I want you to flow. Maybe. Aya pala yun. Stay with me. Oh, si Aya. Hindi.
Thank you, Mods.
Oh,
Exclusive interview.
kamusta yun?
Only from Manila's hottest. Monster RX 93.1.
Okay. Okay, that's it. Yun na pala yun. Wala man lang outro. Talaga ba? Oo nga, wala man lang outro. Sayang naman, Monster RX 93.1. Sana nakapag-outro sila. So, ano lang, binigyan lang tayo ng sample ng Honey Honey. So, that's it guys. That was Beanie. Okay, so, ayan, sana nagustuhan nyo. And, yeah. Stream na natin yung Unang Kilig and Honey Honey, and let us support the girls sa kanilang Binichella on April 10 and 17, 2 weekends yan, and this March 15 sa PhilInvest Alabang, tama, and March 21 sa Market. Sana makapunta tayo dyan. So yun guys, see you there and bye-bye.